Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today in this video I will be covering chapter 6 of class 10th geography, that is manufacturing industries. So let's discuss question and answers. Here question number 1 says multiple choice questions. Part 1 says which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? Answer is cement. Second, which one of the following agencies markets steel for the public sector plants? Answer is SAIL. Third, which one of the following industries uses bauxite as a raw material? Answer is aluminium. Fourth, which one of the following industries manufactures telephones, computers, etc.? Answer is electronic. Further, let's discuss question number 2. Here question number 2 says, answer the following briefly in not more than 30 words. First, what is manufacturing? Answer is production of goods in large quantities after processing the raw materials into more valuable products is termed as manufacturing. For example, paper is manufactured from wood. Further, second question says, name any 3 physical factors for the location of the industry. Answer is the physical factors important for the location of the industry are availability of raw materials, availability of power, proximity to the market. Further, third question says, name any 3 human factors for the location of an industry. Answer is 3 human factors necessary for the location of an industry are labor, capital and market. Now, question number 4 says, what are the basic industries? Give an example. Answer is, basic industries are the industries which supply their products as raw materials to the industries which manufacture other goods. For example, iron and steel industries provide iron and steel to other industries as raw material to manufacture engineering goods, vehicles, construction material, etc. Further, fifth question says, name the important raw materials used in the manufacturing of cement. Answer is limestone, silica, alumina and gypsum. Apart from these, coal, electric power and rail transportation are also needed in the manufacturing of cement. Further, question number 3 says, write the answers in the following questions in 120 words. First, how do industries pollute the environment? Answer is, industries have increased pollution and degraded the environment. Industries create 4 types of pollution and they are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. The smoke emitted by the industry pollutes the air and water immensely. Air pollution is caused by the presence of a higher proportion of undesirable gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur oxide. The sources of water pollution are numerous. Most important are the industrial effluents that discharge their rivers. They are both organic and inorganic. They pollute the water. Unwanted loud noise is also pollution. It arises from industries and the different means of transport. Noise causes impairment of hearing. Further, third question says, discuss the steps to be taken to minimize environmental degradation by industry. Answer is, first, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Second, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them into river and ponds. Further, treatment of industrial effluents can be done in 3 phases. First, primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. Further, B part is secondary treatment by biological process. Third, tertiary treatment by biological, chemical and physical processes. This involves a recycle of waste water. So guys, here I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel AglaSem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.